Hey, Dr. Widener here with Patient Mastery and the new team. Real quick video. One of the saddest things about the chiropractic profession is that the docs, who oftentimes are the most incredible practitioners, who get the most results, who have the best intention, are most clinically sound, and ultimately get the patients the best outcomes, make the least amount of income and have the smallest practices. Now, that's not me putting down anything about getting great results and being super committed to your clinical expertise. You should be the absolute best and always be striving to increase it, because that's your passion, that's your purpose, and you should be the best at what you do. However, in our profession, you know, oftentimes the people who make the most money, what they can do to bill insurance, how many people they can funnel through as quickly as possible for numbers. And there's this pendulum. After a decade of helping chiropractors grow their practice, help more people, have more time off, it has become clear docs who are unbalanced on the end of majority of the time focusing on constantly improving technique, service, patient care. That is the 95% focus rather than 80% and then 20% making sure your systems are correct. These are great. Make sure your headspace is right. Make sure your team is amazing. Hiring, training, leading. You know if you fit into this category. You're hitting your head against the wall. Why aren't more people referring? Why aren't people paying more? Why am I not bringing home the amount that my colleague neighbors are? And that I need to help my spouse, to help my family, to help myself feel safe for the future when I'm so good at what I do and I keep getting better. If you see yourself in that category, trust me, when it's not about abandoning growing as a practitioner and a clinician, technique and skills, it's about starting to even out the pendulum and making sure you are gaining skills when it comes to communication, knowing how to lead patients to get their best results, knowing how to hire the right team, knowing how to train and keep the right team so they keep helping you increase your profit, increase your practice's reputation, increase your peace of mind, and increase your time off. These are the things that we forget when we're so focused on every single piece of our service just getting incrementally better with every new technique and seminar, gadget, and gizmo. We forget about one piece of a multifaceted approach of having an amazing practice and making an amazing income. Be great at your skills, getting results, and getting people back to their life. Don't let it cost you your life and your future by not having that balance of how to grow a successful business. Honesty, integrity, peace of mind, plenty of time off, and loving showing up in practice every day because you are getting compensated extremely well for helping so many people back to their life. What do you think about that? Approved? Me too. Stay great. You need anything, we're right here for you.